Electric bikes have quickly gone from niche gadgets to practical tools for everyday commuting, especially as gas prices and public transportation costs continue to rise in 2025. But finding a quality e-bike without spending a fortune isn't always easy. That's why we've rounded up the top 6 best electric bikes under $500. Models that deliver solid performance, comfort, and reliability at a reasonable price. In this video, we'll break down the key features of each one to help you find the right fit for your ride. Links to the bikes are in the description below. Let's get into the list. Number 6. Heybike Race Max. If your commute is mostly smooth pavement and you prefer something that rides more like a traditional bike, the Heybike Race Max might be what you're looking for. With its slim, no-frills frame and responsive pedal assist, this model stands out as a solid pick for city riders who want electric support without added weight or bulk. The Race Max comes equipped with a 500W peak motor, 350W continuous, and a 48V 12.5Ah battery, offering up to 31 miles on pedal assist depending on your riding style and terrain. It's capped at a top speed of 20 mph, which feels fast enough for urban commuting while staying within most e-bike regulations. You get a 7-speed Shimano no-gear system and front suspension fork, which help tackle minor bumps or uneven roads without much discomfort. The 26-inch tires offer a good balance of control and smooth rolling, especially on asphalt and bike paths. At 52 pounds, the bike is light by e-bike standards, making it easier to lift onto bike racks or carry upstairs if needed. There's a simple LCD display to track speed, distance, and battery life, and while the pedal assist responds quickly, there's no throttle-only option, so you'll need to pedal to keep moving. The frame stiffness gives it a more direct riding feel, though that also means a slightly firmer ride compared to cruisers or suspension-heavy models. Overall, the Heybike Race Max is a smart pick for riders who want a clean, lightweight, commuter-focused e-bike without any extra features they don't need. Number 5. VV 26-inch Electric Commuter Cruiser. If comfort is your top priority, the VV 26-inch Electric Commuter Cruiser is a strong contender. Designed in a classic beach cruiser style with a low step-through frame, this bike is easy to mount and dismount, making it especially appealing for casual riders or anyone who prefers a more upright riding position. It runs on a 500W peak motor and includes a 36V 10.4Ah battery, offering up to 50 miles on low pedal assist and around 25 miles using throttle only. That gives plenty of range for daily errands, short commutes, or relaxed weekend rides around the neighborhood. The front suspension fork adds extra comfort when riding over cracked pavement or bumps, while the 26-inch puncture-resistant tires provide a stable and smooth glide. Dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power even if you're carrying cargo on the included rear rack. It also comes with full fenders and a built-in headlight, which are nice touches at this price point. Both pedal assist and throttle modes are included, giving riders full flexibility to choose how much effort they want to put in. At around 60 pounds, it's a bit heavier than other models on this list, and its cruiser geometry means it has a wider turning radius, which may take a little adjustment if you're used to a sportier ride. Still, for those who prioritize comfort and ease over speed and agility, the VV Cruiser delivers. It's a great fit for relaxed riders, seniors, or anyone wanting a smooth and simple ride that gets them from point A to B with minimal fuss. Number 4. TotGuard Electric Bike. If you're curious about mountain-style e-bikes but don't want to spend a fortune, the TotGuard Electric Bike is a strong entry-level option. It brings in a trail-ready look and feel at a price that's approachable for first-time buyers. Powered by a 350W motor that peaks around 500W, this model can reach speeds of up to 19.8 mph. The 36V 10.4Ah battery is removable for convenient charging and offers a range of about 28 to 30 miles on pedal assist, depending on riding conditions. What makes the TotGuard stand out in this price range is its 21-speed Shimano transmission, which adds flexibility for both climbing and cruising. The front suspension fork does a decent job absorbing shocks from uneven paths, and the 26-inch knobby tires are better suited for light trails and gravel than most urban-focused bikes. It features both pedal assist and throttle modes, so you can switch between active pedaling or letting the motor do the work. A digital LCD display gives you real-time stats like speed, battery level, and trip distance. Weighing in at roughly 50 pounds, the aluminum alloy frame feels durable without being overly heavy. One thing to note is the motor does get noticeably louder under full throttle, especially on uphill stretches. It's not distracting, but it's more audible than some of the quieter city-style bikes. For the price, the TotGuard offers a great introduction to electric mountain biking. No frills, no steep learning curve, just a dependable ride for casual trails or bumpy city shortcuts. Number 3. EUROBIKE Folding Electric Bike. When space is limited but you still want the convenience of an electric bike, a fold-in model like the EUROBIKE is worth a closer look. It's built for urban riders, apartment dwellers, and anyone commuting with limited storage, whether that's in a small garage, on public transit, or in an RV. The bike features a 350W rear hub motor paired with a 36V 10.4H battery, delivering a top speed of around 20 mph and a range of 25 to 30 miles, depending on terrain and riding mode. The folding mechanism allows it to collapse into a more manageable footprint, ideal for storing indoors or in the trunk of a car. While the 20-inch wheels are smaller than standard e-bikes, they're surprisingly tough and provide good control on paved surfaces. You'll also get a 7-speed gear system, front suspension fork, and dual disc brakes, which make navigating city streets and occasional bumps feel stable and secure. The EUROBIKE includes an integrated headlight and reflectors, improving visibility in low-light conditions. One trade-off of the folding design is weight. At around 55 pounds, it's not the lightest option out there, especially when carrying it folded. Charging the battery takes about 4 to 6 hours, which is fairly typical in this range. This bike isn't built for off-road adventures, but it performs well in stop-and-go urban traffic and makes multimodal commuting much easier. Whether you're short on space or need something portable that still rides like a full-size bike, the EUROBIKE folding e-bike delivers practical performance without stretching your budget. Number 2. Ensure electric bike for adults. If you're new to electric bikes and want something that's easy to use, dependable, and doesn't overcomplicate things, the Ensure electric bike is one of the most balanced options under $500. It's a solid middle ground choice, offering a mix of comfort, utility, and value that makes it ideal for beginners. Depending on the variant, this model includes a 250W to 350W motor paired with a 36V 10.4Ah removable battery. It reaches a top speed of about 20 mph and typically delivers a range that holds up well for daily commutes or casual rides. The bike comes with a 21-speed Shimano gear system, which gives you plenty of control whether you're riding flat city streets or tackling small hills. The 26-inch wheels and dual disc brakes add to the smooth, controlled ride feel, while the front suspension helps absorb shock on bumpy roads or light gravel paths. Its aluminum alloy frame weighs between 50 to 55 pounds depending on the setup. It's not featherlight, but it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and maneuverability. The LED meter display is basic but easy to read, showing assist levels and battery life. You can ride it in 3 different modes: full manual, pedal assist, or throttle, so you can adjust how much motor help you want. The overall design is minimalist but functional without any unnecessary features or gimmicks. For riders looking to get started with e-bikes without feeling overwhelmed or overspending, the Ensure hits that sweet spot. It's a reliable, well-rounded pick that covers the basics and performs consistently. Number 1. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. Topping the list is the Jasion EB5, a model that offers a near-perfect blend of practicality, performance, and price. If you're looking for the best all-around electric bike under $500, this one checks more boxes than most. It features a 350W brushless motor and a 36V10A battery, delivering a top speed of 20 mph and a range between 25 to 40 miles, depending on how much you rely on throttle versus pedal assist. The motor operates quietly and feels smooth throughout different assist levels, making it well-suited for both new and experienced riders. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain provides enough gearing for city hills and open roads, while the front suspension fork and 26-inch tires help cushion bumps and uneven pavement. It also includes front and rear fenders, an integrated headlight, and a rear rack, which are often add-ons in other bikes at this price point. Weighing just 49.6 pounds, the EB5 is one of the lighter full-size electric bikes in its class. The LCD display gives you a clean view of speed, battery level, and mileage, offering more detailed feedback than the basic LED meters found on other budget models. With both pedal assist and throttle modes, you can adapt your ride based on terrain or energy level. The frame accommodates riders from 5'3" to 6'1", making it versatile for a wide range of users. For the price, the Jasion EB5 delivers a feature set that's hard to beat. It's an excellent everyday e-bike for commuters, casual riders, or anyone looking to get the most value without cutting corners. That wraps up our list of the best electric bikes under $500 for 2025. Whether you're looking for comfort, portability, trail-ready features, or a balanced ride for daily commutes, there's something here for every kind of rider and budget. If one of these bikes stood out to you, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which model you're considering or if you have any questions. As always, product links are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, safe riding and take care.